Endoplasmic reticulum. In this video, we will see the structure and functions of endoplasmic reticulum. First, let us locate the endoplasmic reticulum inside the cell. Yes, this is endoplasmic reticulum. We can see that it is located around the nucleus. This looks like a network of tubes and sheets. It is made up of some special membrane. This membrane of endoplasmic reticulum is similar in structure with the plasma membrane. The endoplasmic reticulum is of two types. This is rough endoplasmic reticulum and this is smooth endoplasmic reticulum. The rough endoplasmic reticulum is like a network of sheets folded around. There are so many dot-like structures present in the rough endoplasmic reticulum. These dot-like structures are ribosomes. Under the microscope, the endoplasmic reticulum with ribosomes has a rough appearance. So, that's why endoplasmic reticulum with ribosomes is called rough endoplasmic reticulum. Now let's see the function of rough endoplasmic reticulum. Rough endoplasmic reticulum makes new protein molecules with the help of ribosomes. That's why rough endoplasmic reticulum is also called as protein factory. Then what is the function of smooth endoplasmic reticulum? Smooth endoplasmic reticulum manufactures new fat molecules. What happens to the new proteins and lipid molecules made in the endoplasmic reticulum? These proteins and fats are used by cell in different ways. These materials are used to make cell membrane. We know that cell membrane is made up of proteins and lipids. So, for the formation of new cell membrane during cell division, these materials are required. Some proteins and fats are converted to enzymes and hormones and are secreted out of the cell to execute various functions. Apart from protein and lipid manufacture, what are the other functions of endoplasmic reticulum? 1. Endoplasmic reticulum facilitates the transport of materials between various regions of cytoplasm. It also allows the transport of materials between the cytoplasm and nucleus. 2. It provides surface for many important biochemical reactions to take place. 3. In vertebrates, smooth endoplasmic reticulum plays an important role in detoxifying the toxins and drugs. So these are the structural features and functions of endoplasmic reticulum. Thanks for watching. Please like the video. Please share this video with your friends. Please subscribe to Grade Booster channel. Press the bell icon to get all the latest updates. Check the description to find links of other useful videos. Check the end screens for our new videos.